What's up, guys? It's Jedi here. Before everybody starts saying I'm talking shit, I just want to clarify that. Yeah, I was there.
I just wanna spread my wings. Life ain't what it seems.
I'm riding up uptown. I'm a motherfucking monster. One hand on the wheel, one hand on my dick. I'm a motherfucking monster. You riding up uptown. One hand on the wheel, one hand on my dick. Like the green light, I'm speeding.
I took the 40 whatever minute video and whatever seconds. I can't verify that right now because I don't have that info in front of me. But I just want to talk about this Travis situation and releasing Birds and Traps at midnight. First off, let me play this footage.
And there's only days before Birds in a motherfucking trap scene and not August 5th, time to check in. Let's get it. Tune in August 5th. Everybody tune in August 5th. Everybody tune in August 5th. Me and Chase B out.
August 5th. August 5th. Yeah, and I know I wasn't the only one that heard that at the concert. Let's play it back again.
August 5th, time to check in. Let's get it. Tune in August 5th. Everybody tune in August 5th. Everybody tune in August 5th. Me and Chase B out.
So, that was the first release date. Feel me? He got that. He didn't release it. Whatever. Today's the 26th, Travis. Where the fuck is the album, bro? You're wasting my time. I'm going to have to shoot you. I'm gonna cut you. Where the fuck is the album, bro? You're wildin' right now. You're wildin' for respect. And I think I'm speaking for everybody. Everybody's a little bit frustrated, and everybody wants the album to release. So I think you should do the honors and keep your word today on the 26th and actually release it. It's now 6:34. It's 6:34. Why you didn't release the album? Today's the 26th. What's going on? Stop wasting my time. I'm speaking for everybody. Stop wasting my time. And if you ever see this video, just know I was at your concert. Fuck it up. I got your shirt. Bread was spent on the shirt. Where the fuck is the album, Travis? Where the fuck is Birds in the Trap? Sing McKnight.
August 5th, time to check in. Let's get it. Tune in August 5th. Everybody tune in.
You keep holding off. And you keep holding off. And if it don't release tonight, you holding off on another day. You're making excuses. And then you're posting on Instagram like this, as if it's okay. And the kid's not eating, bro. The kids ain't eating. You posting. But guess what? The kids ain't eating. Where's the album, bro? Just drop the shit. What else do you have to add? What more do you have to add? For real. You got people saying, oh yeah, 26, 26. I haven't seen nothing on the 26th. Today's the 26th. Where's the album? On top of that, bro, I know you be getting leaked a lot, but you can't be mad. I got my bros that's always coming to me, yo, he's supposed to drop this, and he'll never drop it, and that's why he gets leaked, and he be tight. If y'all don't know what tight means mad, and New York slang. But they be tight, bro, like, come on, like, drop the shit, you keep playing. I don't even know no more. I'ma just got the fucking video up because you get tight. God.
And we were under the influence when we made this, so you gon' tell